So after sharing quite a few videos on Oneplus Nord, I've got a common question from you guys, and I think this one needed a short video. So it is regarding the call recording feature on Oneplus Nord and other OnePlus devices that are coming with Google Dialer built in. So as you guys know, OnePlus Nord is the first device to have Google Dialer instead of OnePlus Dialer that we had with other devices in past. And to be honest, that felt much more refined and smooth. So nothing can be done to get that, as I tried it already. So keeping that thought aside, let's make the most of what we have. So this Google Dialer app works a bit differently, and first of all, make sure you are updated to the latest version. So after you dial a call normally, you get the call recording option too. And the moment you click that record button, a loud audio will play, stating that the call recording has started.
This call is now being recorded.
And in case you are wondering, there is no way to disable it, because that is covered under the new privacy guidelines by Google. So even OnePlus cannot help you with that. Anyways, so the call is being recorded now. And it is a bit buggy sometimes, as even tapping it for several times won't do anything at all. But that happens in like 1 in 10 times, and I hope it will get fixed soon. Now if we stop the recording, so you and the caller will hear an annoying message, once again, saying that the recording has been stopped. So you will cut the call normally, right? But now you will start to wonder where that recording went. And this is the doubt most of you had in mind. So basically the recording is still in Dialer app only. So once again, open the phone app and look for the call log in which you made the recording. So you can see right here, it shows that this call was recorded. So tap on that log and there you have it. Now just tap on that play button to hear that recording again. Also, it will play it in earpiece and not in the main speaker, so do keep that in mind. Similarly, if you tap on history button, you will get all the recorded calls and you can listen to each one of them. So I hope this solves your problem. One thing to keep in mind is that you will not be able to copy or find these files in your file manager because they are kept hidden in your internal storage. So as far as I know, without root you cannot do that. In case you discover any method, do let me know in the comment section down below. So I hope this clears your doubt regarding the call recording feature on OnePlus Nord. So do like this video if it helps you out and subscribe for more videos like this one.